What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to new subscribers to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about some affordable bags that I personally carry. There's a lot of bags out there. There's designer bags, you name it. So we're going to talk about some affordable options all the way to the last bag, which is kind of a higher end option. So the first one is a Vans tote bag. I kind of like this bag just because it has a zipper on the top. I'm not too much of a fan of Vans branding, but it's just a easy and affordable tote bag. I got it off of Depop for like $15, and there's so many different variations. I would recommend going on Depop or eBay or like a second party seller, just because you don't want to pay like a $35 price tag off of this Vans tote bag. So the second one we have is a Rowing Blazers tote bag. A little bit of a higher quality. I think I first saw this bag on some sort of YouTuber, but I think it was a really affordable option. It's priced at $15, but after you get done with taxes and shipping, it can cost around $24, but most of the time they have a lot of like 10%, 20% off, so you could catch it. Love the screen printing on it, and it carries all of my necessities perfectly. So I would definitely recommend this bag. For the final bag we have is Ground Cover Footwear's Suno bag. This is on the steeper end of bags. I would say that this bag is made of quality materials and also is straying away from any animal cruelty. The launch of this brand by Avery Ginsberg was astronomical. It had a good response. Definitely was a beautiful collection to see. I wouldn't say really collection, it was a footwear item that he had worked on for about 1.5 to 2 years, I believe, and then it was accompanied by this bag, and I believe they're going to be making other accessories. But the bag is beautiful, the shoe is beautiful. Shout out Avery for making such a solo project venture that strays away from animal cruelty and uses premium quality materials such as pineapples. So I would definitely check for this bag being your everyday bag. Shout out to Salvador for helping me acquire this bag. Definitely was amazing to feel the quality of someone putting in time and energy into creating such a lovely product. I would say that the first look of the bag, you would think that it's like lightweight, but actually it's not. It's like super heavy. This is a heavy, huge bag. It's like half my body, and I'm 5'7", and you know Avery's like 6 foot something, so it definitely is a great bag to have. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. New videos are every Sunday and Monday. Kind of testing out the times here, but nonetheless, you're gonna get a video every week. And as always, my name is Day. Have a good day. Peace out.